Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Lili Business Bank Account. So, if you're looking for a digital first business bank account, Lili might be the perfect choice. Here's everything you need to know about its features and benefits. So, the key features of Lili Business Accounts are: it is free banking, it has no monthly fees or minimum balance required. It also has expense categorization, automatically sorts your business expenses for easier bookkeeping. It also has overdraft protection, which help prevent negative balances for peace of mind. It also has seamless integrations. It works with QuickBooks, Stripe, and other financial tools as well. So it is perfect for small businesses and side hustles, because it is ideal for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners who need a simple, efficient banking experience. It is also a mobile-first banking, which lets you manage finances anytime, anywhere. Should you choose Lili? It is great for you if you're a business owner who wants smart expense tracking and a no-cost banking solution. It is not ideal for you if you are those needing physical branches or advanced business banking services. So have you tried Lili for your business before? Share your experience in the comment section below. Subscribe for more business banking reviews and money saving tips.